Ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world, my name is Jeff. 10x, 4x. Today, that's right, today, I'm going to answer the question people have asked me many, many times. We're going to answer swing trading versus scalping, ladies and gentlemen. Swing trading versus scalping. Who is the winner? Who's going to win? But more importantly, what can this mean? Hi again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jeff here from 10x, 4x. It's a lovely summer day here, as most days here in Koh Samui, Thailand. Just outside there is my beautiful garden in a lovely, luscious green area. We're going to swing trading trades right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hold on to our hands. Here we go. This is, let me get this out of the way. This is a 15-minute setup, normal candles, NAS100, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at yesterday. Let me remove that line. Let's look at yesterday. First of all, it's set to New York, my charts. This is a swing trading strategy. It's a scalping strategy, but let's see what works best for you and how you can best do this, ladies and gentlemen. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to notice what's happening. You can obviously see where the market has had a change. But let's look at the time when this happened down at the bottom here, We get the sell indicator here at 3 a.m. Boom. I'm just going to mark that. And what would that mean to you? That would be London. If you were a scalper, ladies and gentlemen, if you saw that there, ladies and gentlemen, although on a 15 minutes, I would be tempted, that's right, to drop to the 5 minutes. Yeah, I certainly would be tempted to wait up to the 5 minutes. Yeah. I'll explain all these different spaghetti things down here later. Let's see what we can do here. Because what it does, ladies and gentlemen, most people know I also trade using the 10x smart money set. We teach about here price going back up to pick out some FPGs up here, ladies and gentlemen. But it's an obvious high you can see there. There's an obvious high. If you see this, let's maybe go down to the 2 minute, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. You see it goes back here, and we've got the high up here from previous, which we said up here. So you're waiting for it to do the pullback, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say after do the pullback, get the high, then at this point, you want to use this is there. Why? Because at this point it says, ladies and gentlemen, at this price, right there, it's all aligned. This says sell, this says sell. This is under a swing trade setup, ladies and gentlemen. A stop loss goes above this high, right there, the high. And as long as it stays under this red zone, you can stay in the trade. Here we go. This is how scalpers could use this setup, ladies and gentlemen. So far, it's 7%, and it's still dropping. You cannot make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. Simple, easy, very effective, nearly 10%. Those people that trade with me on a daily basis in my inner circle have an opportunity to take advantage. Now, I want to highlight some other things there, ladies and gentlemen. It's still dropping. It's still dropping. 12%. At this point here, ladies and gentlemen, all the way down to the bottom. You'll never ever get all of this. But these things here tell us there's potential to change. This here tells us potential to change. This here, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Unbelievable. 2,000 people following, listening, educating on a daily basis. Some groups, 7,000. Worst case scenario, ladies and gentlemen, watch this. This is the key. This is the key. Where do you exit? Here it says potentially doing a reverse. Change it to green. Right there. Let me show you this a bit closer. See that there? This changes to green. We get 3 greens. You can exit the trade there, or where it changes green there. Let's take this one. So I'm not claiming all this. I'm only claiming to that way. If you choose to trade this way, boom. Let's measure this from a scalping point of view. It might not look like a scalping setup, but if you trade like Jen, if you trade like me, then you have the opportunity to do this consistently. Simple, easy. That's 11.5 targets, ladies and gentlemen. Know what that means. That's 11.5 targets. Now let's change the setup. Yeah, let's change the setup. Now, some people don't have the time to trade. Some people would say, well, Jeff, this is perfect. So I can be in and out of trade in a few minutes, get 1-2% out of the market. But there's some people like to set it and forget it. So what we're going to do now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to the daily time frame. That's right, the daily time frame. And when just to show you how this works, that's right. I'm going to the last time the color changed here. Boom, there. Let's measure what's possible. And it changed, that's what it changes there. So yes, it did eventually come down to 45,888 points, ladies and gentlemen. That's points. But it did eventually go back up to the, you lost half of that. Almost, the 22,597. You could exit at any point. You could choose to exit every time you got a buy, then every time you get a sell. You see that? Only take trades in the basis of the color. Yeah. If you'd entered at that point, you saw that there. Got to be honest, you would have made a loss here on a daily. You wouldn't enter on the daily anyway. Right now, you're in that sell. 16,904. Ladies and gentlemen, simple, easy effect. Let's actually have a look at this one here, ladies and gentlemen. This last one here, from here, and drop it down a time frame. Yeah, let's go to in fact, let's go to the 4 hour, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you how you potentially use this from here. You mark that up, wait for everything to be aligned. There, it's the attack inline swing, ladies and gentlemen. It's the attack inline swing trade setup. Yeah, it's been over so they'll come back up as we're expecting. It drops back down there. Here we go. And as long as it stays underneath it, you stay in the trade. You don't have to. Let's go to the 1 hour now later. Let's go to the 1 hour. You can do this, I believe. Same setup, same rule. Overbought. It says sell, that says sell. And as long as you stay in the trade, ladies and gentlemen, until you get that green, you can do this. 8,959 points. You deserve this. Learn this simple setup. Discover it with all the other people that are joining. This is live, ladies and gentlemen. This is real. Get involved. My name is Jeff. Swing trading versus scalping. Perhaps you're a swing trader, perhaps you're a scalper. Subscribe, comment, share, and get involved in a private mentoring group. Send me a private message. Bye for now. And as always, I will see you